today's video top 50 highest grossing Indian movies list. Okay friends, let's start. Happy New Year. 384 crore blockbuster. Ponniyin Selvan Part 2 345 crore industry hit. Drishyam 2 345 crore all-time blockbuster. Hanuman 350 crore blockbuster. Adipurush 350 crore blockbuster. Kick 389 crore blockbuster. Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी 356 crore super hit. बाजीराव मस्तानी 359 crore blockbuster. Tanhaji 368 crore blockbuster. Pushpa 373 crore blockbuster. Premratam Dhan Paye 389 crore blockbuster. Dilwale 377 crore blockbuster. Kabir Singh 380 crore blockbuster. Simba 401 crore blockbuster. Kantara 400 crore blockbuster. Chennai Express 425 crore blockbuster. Three Idiots 401 crore blockbuster. Devara Part 1 408 crore blockbuster. Brahmastra 431 crore blockbuster. Saho 439 crore industry hit. Vikram 500 crore industry hit. Andhadhun 457 crore blockbuster. Ponniyin Selvan Part 1 500 crore blockbuster. The greatest of all time 456 crore industry hit. Tiger 3 467 crore industry hit. Donkey 471 crore industry hit. Wire 476 crore industry hit. Dhoom 3 559 crore industry hit. Padmavat 572 crore blockbuster. Tiger Jinda Hai 566 crore industry hit. Sanju 587 crore industry hit. Leo 621 crore industry hit. Bahubali 650 crore industry hit. Jailer 650 crore blockbuster. Sultan 624 crore industry hit. Salaar Part 1 700 crore industry hit. 2.0 800 crore super hit. Gadar 2 692 crore industry hit. PK 770 crore all-time blockbuster. Secret Superstar 966 crore all-time blockbuster. Bajrangi Bhaijaan 970 crore all-time blockbuster. Street 2 875 crore industry hit. Animal 918 crore all-time blockbuster. Pathan 1053 crore all-time blockbuster. Kalki 2898 AD 1200 crore industry hit. Jawan 1159 crore industry hit. KGF Chapter 2 1250 crore all-time blockbuster. RRR 1300 crore all-time blockbuster. Bahubali 2 1811 crore all-time blockbuster. Dangal 2200 crore all-time blockbuster. Comment your favorite on and see you in next video. Goodbye.